Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can run a Windows 11 virtual machine inside VMware. This is VMware Workstation Pro. From there, create a new virtual machine. Select Next and browse to see your ISO. Select it and then Next. Select Microsoft Windows and Windows 10 and later x64. This is important. Click on Next and select your location. I have already set it, so there is no need. Next, give it space. It requires at least 30 gigabytes. You may see 60, however, it is not actually required. From there, store it as a single file. I don't know why, but stored into multiple files creates a bit of lag in the virtual environment. Click on Next and then customize your hardware. Give it at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, at least, because you know it's Windows and it consumes a lot of resources. When you're done, click on Close and Finish. When you try to boot it up, you will see that Windows 11 will try to look for a TPM and encrypted connection. So it will give us a bit of trouble and it will not install. I'll show you what I mean. When you're on the installer and click on Install Now, and select your version, you will be greeted with a message stating that this PC cannot run Windows 11. So this is where we need to change a few things. Close the installer and shut off the virtual machine and go to its settings. Edit the virtual machine settings and from here go to options. You need to encrypt your space. Give it a random password and go to hardware. From there you can now add a trusted platform module, TPM. Select it, it usually is down at the right bottom, and click on Finish. Select OK. You may need to enter your password when you're selecting it, so when you run it, be quick because you need to press any key to boot up into the virtual environment. We are once again greeted with the installer, however, this time we will be allowed to boot up and make the installation. Here the setup is starting and you don't actually need to enter a product key. This is after all a virtual machine and the purpose is just to get something to work. And its purpose is to actually get something to work or just take a look at the operating system. Let's see Windows 11 Pro, and when we click Next, this time we can actually install Windows 11. This is the way to install Windows 11 inside the virtual environment. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have found this video useful, you can leave me down a comment or get subscribed. It's free and it will help my channel grow. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.